What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. When BMW decided to go with the bold look of huge grills on their G series of cars, they kind of left a lot of room for improvement, which is exactly why we're lowering ride height and adding on aero pieces to this G80 M3, like the side skirts and front lip, in order to enhance the lines of the car, bringing out its defining features. Let's get into it. Now you've seen us install adjustable springs on the G80 before with KW, and this kit from H&R is similar. But the stars of today's show are the aero pieces. We have an M Performance front lip and side skirts from RW Carbon. Because with the bigger grills on the new BMWs, it's an aggressive take from BMW. Unfortunately, they didn't properly address the other sides of the car, making it imbalanced. Thankfully, today's mods will address that very problem and give the G80 M3 an aggressive appearance from every angle while also improving its handling capabilities. The H&R Haas springs come from a trusted brand with years of experience and are intended to work with the OEM struts to deliver precise handling without sacrificing ride quality. This kit can lower the front from 1 to 1.4 inches, and the rears have a range of 1 to 1.5 inches. The best part is that you'll maintain the factory EDC, so you can still switch between sport and comfort with the press of a button. Since we've done a few of these already and have the proper tools, this part is a breeze, giving us more time for the aero. The front lip is broken up into 3 segments in order to fit flush against the bumper. The great thing about going with the M Performance front lip, which is an OEM design, is that all the holes are guaranteed to line up, and the holes that we do need to drill are clearly marked on the neighboring pieces. We also have the peace of mind knowing that the fitment will be spot on, without modification and designed to work with the OEM hardware. But of course, some double-sided tape was used for additional security. While we were here, we couldn't help ourselves and had to address the sore spot on the front bumper by replacing the orange reflector with a paint-matched one, giving the front end a seamless look. Especially with the gray color and black accents, this looks so much better now. Moving on to the side skirts. If you do intend to go aftermarket on parts where fitment can be an issue, just make sure to go with a reputable brand like RW Carbon, who you know took the time to properly measure their part so you can have the perfect, aggressive look from every angle on your G80 M3. And just like that, this G80 M3 has the bold look BMW truly intended to give it when it redid the front end, with the carbon fiber aero pieces highlighting the lines of the car just enough to enhance the defining features without going overboard, while the H&R Haas kit lowers the car's center of gravity, giving it better ability to go in and out of turns, letting this competition model really live up to that competition name. And if you're looking to pick up your own set of aero pieces or the Haas kit, it's going to be in the links down in the description. And leave any questions that you have for us down there as well. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see all of you in the next one.